This here is going to be an 03 up Yamaha blaster wiring harness with Tours and park brake removed and the oil tank removed. Starting at the front, you have your OEM CDI connector, OEM color wiring, all plug and play, OEM light switch connector, voltage regulator, your front brake switch. You're gonna have your headlight right here, headlight ground, and your stock kill switch hookup right there. And then going back, you're gonna have your coil hookup, your ground. One ground has been removed from the front. You're not going to have two ground rings. You're only going to have one. Here's your stator, rear brake switch, OEM connector and colors. And then out back, you're going to have your tail light and brake light hookup right here. Alright guys, y'all have a good night. Link to purchase, as always, will be in the description. Y'all have a good day. Oh, if you guys wonder what it looks like all wrapped up,